Molweni, and welcome back to Ezichisabe Entertainment otrenda njengamanje. Usiyacela Dlamuka nowakwakhe ke uThando esiyesivamise ke ukubabona reality TV show belingisa, should I say bayalingisa guys, because ezinye izinto ezenziwa lapha and it does seem as though baya actor kusho ke isencane lengane. Abantu abaningi bathukile ukuthi how kunababukeli kanti njengoba thina we thought ukuthi we are one as abantu besifazane. Usiyacela nje njalo mesimbona in public sizomreprimanda for behavior yakhe ayibonisa lapha ke kwishow yabo isencane lengane, but it does seem as though khona abantu besifazane that are backstabbing the rest of us by showing Usiyacela love and appreciation. And i-comment section ke igcwele ngabantu athi yey Usiyacela sijwayele ukumbona uLundi, sijwayele ukumbona phiphiphi eThekwini, kodwa nje asikaze nje sike simbonise uthando njengoba nina nimbonisa uthando, because kumele azi ukuthi into ayenzayo laphana ke kwishow ayikho right ukudelela abantu abadala and even ukuhlukumeza ke umfazi wakhe uthando. So i-camera ke iphinde yazuma in ke kuthando emeqelele, and I don't understand why uthando no one was giving uthando love, but rather people were giving Usiyacela love. So i-camera ke iye yabhekisa ngakuthando, abantu abaningi banothisa ukuthi why does it seem as though uthando ke uzithwele for the second time for uSithupheth, and people are really angry by this fact. Although remember guys, uthando wachaza ukuthi ngesikhathi eteta okokuqala waye wateta via C-section. So I'm sure nabantu abesifazana abaningi abazala through C-section, they can attest to this ukuthi in most cases isisu asisheshi ukubuyela esimeni saso. Like it may take 3 years, it may take 4 years ukuthi uphinde ke ube nefika. It does not mean that uthando ke ukhulelwe. But what are your thoughts? Please guys, ngiyacela si engage on it, and ngizonibona on the next one. Bye.